My name is Jamie, and I'm a graduate of the Cape Fear Community College Culinary Technology program. I feel like my experience at Cape Fear Community College absolutely helped me in my profession. I wouldn't be where I am today. Actually, my first job was because of one of the instructors. I am a pastry chef at River Landing. I make the house desserts for the clubhouse. I also make wedding cakes. I love it because I'm passionate about it. Either you love it or you don't. You're there because you want to do it. Not many people can say they go to work and love what they do. I'm very grateful, not only for the program, but the instructors here are absolutely amazing and inspiring, and they push you, but it definitely helped me in my career where I am today. My name is Jamie Labastier, and I graduated from the Culinary Technology program, and I have a job.